Alright guys, we done got this Hyundai apart. So I'm replacing this part. This is broke. But down here on the bumper is broken too. But I don't want to replace the whole bumper just for this piece. So I think I'm gonna try to just try to fix it. I'm gonna put some fiberglass on here. Let's see how that do. But yeah, so we fixing that. I'm gonna fix this gray part, paint the bumper. I'm gonna replace this part. Gotta get a new headlight. It's a Halo. It ain't no LED in it. No. Just that headlight and fix this fender. And I can get to the back of it for real. Let's see if I can finish that. Might not be big enough. Okay, that moved. I'm gonna go get the long one. That moved right there. It's probably easier if I take it off. What's up? What's up? What's up with it? Yeah.
They up the waves on the tracks.
Mama just hung her head and said, son.
Bugsy. Bugsy. Don't be biting on my shoe. Ah! Stop scratching me. What do you want? Want some food? They left her. I think they're over there in the bush. They left her over here. Guess only the strong will survive, eh? She just is loud. She be leaving her kids anywhere. There they go. Look at the rest of them. They gotta move from up under that. I had moved Bugsy back in the shed. It started to rain. Look at her. Look at her. Got this one put back together. I'm about to sand it everything down. I sanded it. Let's sand everything down that I'm painting. So I'm gonna sand the fender, the bumper, the back, and the back bumper. Oh, it shouldn't take me long. I should pretty much be done. She loud. I woke her up when I came outside. That green is fire, boy. Maybe it's because my favorite color. Fire. I'm about to clear it. Oh, almost failed. I need to get up and stop being lazy, huh? I mean, it's tough, bro. It's tough. I should have sprayed a little green over here. I see a little white from it's tiny. It's minor. That thing is nice. Yeah. I'll be doing some shit, bro. I'll be. Look where man, listen. God be working. He be working. You be surprised me. It's like, man, I got this little place. Everything is messed up. Floor is messed up. Tent messed up. I got this little compressor. Like, watch this, son. Let me show you, son. Let me show you, son. It only take a mustard seed. Like, dang, man. Look at God. Because this is God. I ain't do none of this. This is all God. Man, that green hard. I think I might paint my next car this color. I might put like a flop of yellow in it. Because that's my logo colors. So it like flops to yellow to green. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be an old school. I wouldn't put it on the car I drive every day.
Wherever he laid his hat was his home. They'll put waves on the tracks.